Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to update your firmware on the Nothing Ear 1 earbuds. So, first of all, make sure to connect your earbuds to your phone and to install your Nothing X application. You can install it from Google Play or App Store. Now, let's press on this application, let's open it up. Here at the top right corner, find your gear icon. Scroll down to your firmware update section, tap on it. Now, if there is any updates, your application will update you about that. So let's press on the button. And now our firmware has started to being updated. While updating, please keep your device close to your phone, don't move the device while updating, don't close the case until the update is complete, and also don't close the application or lock the phone. Also, make sure that your both earbuds are charged to at least 30%. So, as you see, our firmware update is finished. Once the update is complete, earbuds will automatically reconnect to your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.